Okay, so we're going to show you our progress. We're inside the building and we built our data center inside. So we're running a few machines now. I'm just doing some testing and basically repairing some of the S7s that we have. So this is the inside here. We'll shut down these machines and let you see what's going on here. Alright, so we've got one shelf here. We're going to have another shelf here. We're going to be adding some plugs. There'll be a total of at first, there's going to be a total of 75 S9s in here. We will be adding more as time goes on. This is just a shelf for adding some stuff, put some computers on. Over here, the shelf's going to be out of the way. We're going to put a small workstation. The monitor there is going to be mounted on the wall, showing us the status of everything. And so now this is the hot side over here on this side here, and we're currently in the cold side. And so we're going to kind of come in through here. So basically this will be the hot side here. Pairing up to this is going to be the return. Right now we haven't done all of that as of yet. Probably should be finished with that in a day or two. And then we will be just simply having enough space for all the machines here. The rest of this can be completely covered. The machines will blow into this area here. And on this wall here, there will be a fresh air intake down here at the bottom. But on the outside, way up high on the building, building is 14 feet tall, we'll have the fresh air intake up high. It'll come down so that we can try and reduce the transfer of the noise to the outside. We'll have a we'll have 2 variable speed motors in this particular area. So that they will be able to overcome any type of static pressure, but with the fact that we're going to have makeup air here, and then the other one is going to be taking taking the heat out of the building through here, and we will be exhausting it outside. This will be completely sealed. Everything's going to be sealed. There are some gaps now, but these will be filled with plywood, and then on the back side we'll have some radiant barrier, and then we will maximize the amount of power that we have for this particular location. We're going to be adding a lot of circuits in this particular area over here, and so this is our current progress so far, and we are still working on it. Probably should be finished in the next few days, and then we're going to be adding a lot of insulation and whatnot in the walls to try and prevent a lot of noise transfer. Up here, that's one of the air vents. Now that will be have a duct connected to it, and that will be where we're exhausting the heat on that side. And then way up here, over here on this side here, is where we're going to have our fresh air intake. It's going to come down through this space here, and then come over and then enter into the hot side. Now we will also have 10 tons of air conditioning added to this particular unit based on the load that's going to be required in order to properly maintain the units. We want to maintain the cold side at about 60 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. And so for the current time, 10 tons for this particular amount of S9s is plenty. So as always, guys, like, subscribe, and goodbye.